Data engineers can use the Aryn Partitioning Service to easily chunk and extract data from complex PDFs for generative AI, RAG applications, ETL, and data science. The Aryn Partitioning Service is up to 6 times more accurate and up to 5 times faster than alternatives. Upload your complex PDFs to the Partitioning Service, and Aryn segmentation and labeling models will break down the documents into their constituent components and return this data in a JSON object that you can then use for further processing. The Partitioning Service can extract paragraphs, tables, images, and run OCR. For example, let's say you're a data analyst that wants to understand 3M sales by region and business segment from 2018. Let's take 3M's 10K filing, which is the information buried in hundreds of pages in a PDF with text, headers, footnotes, tables, images, and more. First, to get a feel for how the Aryn Partitioning Service would break down this document, you can quickly upload it to the Aryn Playground to visualize how things will be extracted. In a few seconds, we'll see this PDF broken down into components, and you'll see on page 23 that it has extracted the table with the relevant information successfully. In the Playground environment, it's helpful to see the JSON object with the extracted components of the document. But as a data scientist, I next want to analyze this data in my notebook environment. So let's do this with the Aryn SDK. In my notebook, the partition file function from the Aryn SDK uses the Aryn Partitioning Service to segment page 23 and extract the contents, including the table we're interested in. It takes a fraction of a second to run. If you scroll to the top, you'll notice that the table we want is in the return JSON object. Let's take this table and turn it into a pandas data frame, which you can then inspect and use in the rest of your analysis. For example, I just pulled out the sales for the electronics business segment in the US and EU regions. The Aryn Partitioning Service makes this possible. You can take a gnarly PDF and extract and transform it into simple data structures that you can actually use. To get started, go to aryn.ai/get-started, and you can sign up for free with just your email address. If you want to further process the output from the Aryn Partitioning Service for ETL, hybrid search, or RAG apps like chatbots and copilots, you can use Aryn's open source Sycamore library. It's a scalable document processing engine in Python.